dance is called Vieni, Mare. It's a 32 count 4 waltz, and it's a beginner line dance. There are 2 restart in this dance during wall 4 and wall 9. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, cross right over left, cross, recover, side chassis to the right, side together, side, cross, left over right, cross, recover, make a quarter to your left, forward shuffle. Section 1 with a count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, make a pivot, quarter turn to your left, Sept, pivot quarter turn, cross shuffle, sway your hip, left, right, left, make a half turn with your right, with a hitch, and also at the same time, both hands are up. So when you turn, hitch up, both hands up. So from here, section 2 with the count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step your right foot down, step, point your left to the side, make a quarter turn to the left, step, left quarter, and point your right to right, make a jazz box, forward, cross, back, side, forward. Section 3 with a count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, walk 4 steps to your left with 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, make a half turn. 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, followed by a rocking chair on the right. Rock, recover, back, recover. So last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Wall 2 start at 3 o'clock. So in this dance, wall 4 and wall 9, there is a restart after section 1. There will be a change of step. Let me show you wall 4. Wall 4 facing 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and instead of turning a quarter, you remain the same wall 8. Do not turn. I repeat. Wall 4, restart. Rock, recover, side together, side. Rock, recover, side, chassis. And you start wall 5 facing 9 o'clock. Rock, recover, side, chassis. Rock, recover, side together, quarter. This will be the same for wall 9.